What's up guys, welcome back to the new video, and today we have something different. We're gonna be watching some bad actors who are trying so hard to get that insurance money or to get a major role in some movie, I don't know. And also maybe we're gonna give away some acting awards as well, who knows. So yeah, with that being said, let's dive into this. Oh, look at these two. I wonder how they even survived such a vicious thing, you know. Alrighty, we are now in China, I believe. Whoa! Seems legit, bro. That guy totally crashed into you. How dare he? That wasn't even close, mate. But still, it was a nice try, though. Only not good enough. Eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, we need to take another look at this. Oh, look at him go! Usain Bolt should be jealous of him. And bam! Oh my god, I've never seen something like that before. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh my god. I love how that guy stopped in time and the scammer missed the car completely. And he had a little romantic date with a road underneath. Oh, BMW, come on, man.
If they voted, would end up.
Ooh, you're scary. Just look at them. You can see from a mile away that they were planning on doing this all along. Scumbags. And now it's blah blah blah. She's telling him that he's crazy and that he needs to look. Really? You stop in the middle of a road and brake checked him on purpose, and yet he's the one that's crazy? Interesting logic, I must admit. And that's why you guys always need a dash cam. It can save you big time one day. What the hell is that? On a scale from 0 to 10, she gets -2 for acting. Oh my god. She even brought some pillows to ease her fall. Are those pillows? Yep, I think they are. And she was like, mission failed, we'll get him next time. Unbelievable. Let's see what we have here. Oh, that was a good old brake check, and he opened the door for some reason. Why would you want to get out of your car in the middle of a highway at speed? Very strange, indeed. But never mind that, we are now in UK, let's see what happens. Whoop. Some invisible force, like wind or something, hit him so hard that he fell. And now he's gonna sue the government for the little inconvenience, let's put it that way. And that wasn't really a scam, it was just a funny video I wanted to show you. Whack! Oh, that was so hard. Poor car, now it's got a broken grill or something. Oh, get over here, you little shit. Oh my god. Oh, those are the guys who probably got scammed by the shirtless guy there. And they were like, slowly, now get him. Oh no, another one of those crashes when the guy from the opposite lane just throws the bike in front of a car. It's unbelievable. I don't even know why people are trying to do something like this. It's not gonna work out, you're not gonna get any money, so it's kind of pointless. Whoa, god damn, son. This guy here definitely has taken his acting career to the next level. You know, he kicked it up a notch. But still, it's not enough. He still sucks. Get out of here, boy, before I break my leg kicking your ass. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, hello. Oh, I like your Viper. Can I pay for your Viper? Look, I've got some newspapers from yesterday. They're still fresh. I'm gonna rip off your Viper. Or am I? No, I like it, so I won't. Can I pay for it, please? No? Maybe tomorrow you will change your mind? Okay. Come on, I'm paying top dollar for this Viper. I'll be here tomorrow. We have a deal? No? Oh my god, I like making up these stories. But never mind, let's move on. Oh, easy. And the award for the best actor ever goes to... Not to this guy, obviously, that was terrible acting. Straight out of Bollywood. That's the acting level.
What?
Charge! Whack! Oh my god. Oh, and Bollywood is crying for these people. I think all of them should apply for a job there. And it's the only place where they can utilize their brilliant acting skills to the fullest. And now, with all jokes aside, you know you have fallen so low in life when you're doing stupid stuff like this, putting other people in trouble for what? To possibly get some money from insurance. It's so stupid, and I think I'm not the only one here who feels the same about this. Whoa, what the hell are those two doing? Well, that's the scooter gone. And now gently into reverse and run him over. Because reasons, many of them. Let's see here. Oh, not another one. No, 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 no. Oh, another one. Is this fourth or fifth case in this video? I don't know exactly, but it's a lot. Way too many, that's for sure. Oh, the reverse light is on. That guy is probably thinking about reversing into our guy with a dash cam. And of course, after that, he would tell the police, yeah, I was rear-ended by this guy, blah, 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 and all that stuff. But luckily, here is the dash cam to save the day. And like I was saying, he was planning to play the victim card here, but imagine when the police arrived, how stupid he looked when they saw the footage. And this guy here is like, hey, can anyone give me a ride to the nearest insurance company? Anyone? Please? The bus driver? Maybe you? Would you be so kind, sir? I guess that's a no. And welcome everyone to the Russian Midnight Face-Off. Who's gonna pull the trigger first? That's some interesting tactics. And she's gone. Guess what? You're not on a sidewalk, on a crosswalk I mean, so the car wouldn't be responsible anyways, so it's just better to give up. Get up and go home. Yeah, exactly. Funny stuff. Whack! Whoa, whoa, hold it, hold it! It's a slow traffic, mate. They are always gonna stop. And I like how they get out to chase him down, like, now you're gonna see who are you messing with. Oh, we're in UK once again. Nice! Place your bets, everyone, who's gonna jump on the car. Ooh, I see him! He's going for it, and BAM! Oh, that was a hard hit. So vicious, I don't know how he's gonna recover from that one. Better run, I'll run my Merc. Oh, I got hit! Man down! I repeat, man down! 3 out of 10 for acting. That wasn't so bad, but it should have been closer. And this guy here is definitely not drunk or anything. That's just how he rolls. Literally, that's how he just rolled. And there goes the popo to take care of him. And I think he spilled the drink. That's a shame. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I know I did. And also, guys, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.